Welcome back to Auto MVP Garage 7, the channel where we take a close look at vehicles that blend practicality, comfort, and everyday usability. Today we're exploring the 2026 Toyota APV, a multi-purpose vehicle designed to deliver dependable performance, generous interior space, and smart features that make it ideal for families, daily commuters, and small business needs alike. The 2026 Toyota APV arrives with a purposeful exterior that emphasizes utility and modern design. Its tall, box-like shape maximizes interior volume while keeping the overall footprint manageable for city driving and tight parking spaces. Updated LED headlights improve visibility in low-light conditions and give the vehicle a confident road presence without unnecessary complexity. Sliding rear doors on both sides enhance accessibility for passengers and cargo, making everyday use smoother whether you're loading luggage, grocery bags, or seating family members. Durable body panels and refined design lines reflect Toyota's focus on practicality and long-term reliability. Inside, the 2026 Toyota APV offers a spacious, thoughtfully designed cabin that balances comfort with versatility. Seating for up to 8 passengers ensures generous headroom and legroom in both front and rear rows, helping make long journeys feel relaxed and comfortable. The second and third rows can be folded or reconfigured to create a flat load floor, allowing the APV to easily transition from passenger transport to cargo hauling when needed. Practical storage compartments throughout the interior help keep personal items organized and within reach, reinforcing the vehicle's role as a flexible multi-purpose solution. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota APV is powered by a refined engine tuned to deliver smooth performance in both urban traffic and highway cruising. The powertrain provides responsive acceleration and sensible fuel economy that helps keep running costs manageable over time. Suspension tuning is focused on comfort and stability, helping the APV absorb road imperfections while maintaining composed handling across varied driving conditions. Toyota's engineering emphasis on reliability and drivability means the APV feels confident and dependable whether used for family duties, business travel, or everyday errands. Technology in the 2026 model enhances connectivity and convenience without overcomplicating the driving experience. A centrally mounted infotainment screen integrates navigation, media, and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers and passengers to stay connected and entertained on the go. Multiple USB ports and power outlets throughout the cabin ensure devices stay powered during longer trips, while intuitive climate control systems help maintain a comfortable interior environment for all occupants. Ergonomic controls and accessible features make operating the vehicle straightforward and user-friendly. Safety is a key focus for the 2026 Toyota APV's design, with a suite of driver assist technologies aimed at enhancing confidence on every trip. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross traffic alert work together to support safer driving in varied conditions. Parking sensors and a rear-view camera assist with maneuvering in tight spaces and crowded lots, adding convenience to everyday use. A reinforced safety structure and multiple airbags help protect occupants in the event of a collision, contributing to comprehensive peace of mind. Practicality remains central to the Toyota APV's design philosophy. The generous cargo area and flexible seating configurations allow the vehicle to adapt to a wide range of tasks, from passenger transport to hauling equipment, luggage, or daily necessities. Easy-to-clean surfaces and durable interior materials help maintain the cabin's appearance over time, especially for active families and business users. The APV's adaptable interior and efficient design make it a versatile choice for drivers who value comfort, utility, and reliability in one package. The 2026 Toyota APV represents a well-rounded vehicle that brings together dependable performance, flexible interior space, modern connectivity, and thoughtful safety features. It's built for drivers who want a multi-purpose vehicle that handles the demands of daily life without compromise. Thank you for watching Auto MVP Garage 7. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Toyota APV, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. More exciting content is on the way, and we'll see you in the next video.